Hi everyone, how are you today? Hope you're all doing well. Welcome to my channel. I want to say thank you to all of my subscribers for coming to visit with me. Thank you to everyone that has not been here before. And I'm going to start out by showing you a pour that I did a while back. This is a 12 by 24 inch canvas. That's what I'm going to be working on today. And I did just a blow dryer pour on this, and it turned out so pretty. There you can kind of see the shimmer in it. This has some Deco Art 24 karat gold and the extreme sheen in it. And I just love the way the cells came out in this. Very, very pretty. So I'm going to try that again. And I'll show you how I did it. And feel free to try this yourself. It's a lot of fun because basically I dump paint on the canvas and that makes it super fun. So let you know what I have here. I have my Artist Loft Floetrol white mixed with about 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint, and then I put water in it to thin it. It's not leaving any kind of trace. It's going right back into the paint when I drizzle it off the stick thin. And this is my Cad Yellow. That's a little bit thicker, but not much. Most of these paints are Liquitex Basics or Artist Loft. I do have a couple of extreme sheens in here. This is a Prism Violet. This is a metallic purple. And then I have my violet. And then I have a couple of extreme sheen colors. This is the Rose Quartz by Extreme Sheen. And I left these a little bit thicker than the others because the extreme sheen paints leave that cell effect. And I'm not so sure about the Rose Quartz if it'll do that or not, but I'm hoping it does. And then I have a little bit, not as much as the other colors, of this silver that is an extreme sheen color as well. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start out by covering my canvas with the white paint. Tilt this around a little bit. Get out my spatula so I can spread that. This is a OXO omelet turning spatula. They work really well for spreading paint evenly. Just float them across the surface. Okay, so I just took a minute there to tilt this so that I have a nice even coat and it's nice and smooth. And what I'm going to start out with is my violet. And this is the fun part. Just going to drizzle it around. Throw some of it on this canvas. Save a little tiny bit in there in case I want to use it later. I'm going to go in with my Extreme Sheen Pink, Rose Quartz, save a little bit of that, and then the metallic purple. What I did is I picked some purples that are different enough to show a little bit of contrast. And then I'm going to save, these are sheer colors, they're transparent colors, so I saved those for the top. The Cad Yellow Light, it's a very sheer color, as well as the Prism Violet. Something over here. I'm going to put my silver in. This is another extreme sheen color. Just kind of having fun throwing this in. And let's see how much paint we have here. Just tilt it back and forth a little bit, see how even it is. And I'm going to tilt it to the top there a little bit because I don't have as much paint up there. I'm going to blow this out with the blow dryer, so it's not real critical that the whole canvas is covered. But I think I want to see a little bit more yellow in this area over here. Kind of on the corners a bit. See that out. And let's get out the blow dryer and see what I can make of this. Okay, now my blow dryer has tape all over it. This did not fit, so I had to tape it on. But I have a button to cool it here that I have to tape closed. And I'm going to put it on high airflow and just blow across my canvas. Okay, wow, that is really pretty. Got a lot of cells coming up with that silver in there. I'd like to see a little bit more of the darker color in here. So I'm going to put a little bit of that violet in. Just in here. And I'm going to blow that center out a bit. Okay. Like it a lot like that. That is really pretty. See how much paint is here. I don't want to see too much movement. Ooh, there's a lot of movement over here. I'm going to blow this out a bit on that side to get some of that paint off of the canvas because it's just moving right there. And if you leave too much paint on there, you're going to get cracking. So. Okay. Oh, so pretty. Love that yellow with the purple. Starting to develop some more cells here. I don't know if you can see them over here along the edges. And I'm going to take this opportunity to say thank you to everybody. I appreciate you coming to visit with me and subscribing. If you haven't subscribed yet, you can go ahead and do that. It's free. And I'm going to let this set for a few minutes and develop, and then I'll come back and give you a close-up. Okay, so this has been sitting for about 10 or 15 minutes, and there are some really pretty cells here. I'm going to pick it up and run it, show you some of the best spots, if I can here. Look over here. There is some multicolored cells there. That corner is just so amazing with the way the silver's coming through with the yellow. It's a little bit of white that's come up through and made some lacing. It's so very pretty. I'm really happy with the way this came out. So if you want to try this yourself, I'd love to see your results. Okay, that's it for this one. Thank you all for subscribing. Thanks for coming and visiting with me. Appreciate it. And I will see you next time. Bye.